Sample problem tayo on reverse curves. Basahin lang natin yung sample problem natin. A reverse curve connects two tangents. The first curve has a radius of 180 meters and central angle of 32 degrees. The second curve has radius of 240 meters and central angle of 26 degrees, bending in the opposite direction. Determine the sum of the tangent lengths of the two curves. So, T1 plus T2 lang itong pinapahanap sa atin. No? So, we have T total is just equivalent to T1 plus T2. So, ito yung figure natin. We have the two reverse curves. So, ito yung mga components. Yung PC, PRC, and PT. No? Point of reverse curve, point of tangency, point of curvature. We have T1 and T1. Pareho lang yan, equal kasi simple curve lang din yan. Ito naman T2 and T2. So, hinahanap natin na length dito is actually this one. No? Ito, yung summation ng T1 tsaka T2. Okay? Kapag gumawa tayo dito ng line, kunwari dito, and then we isolate this triangle, ito, no? So, pag ina-isolate natin yan, makukuha natin yung T1, kasi given yung R1, tsaka meron tayong angle dito na I1 over 2. So, magiging equation natin for T1 yan is just, ito, no? Equivalent siya dito sa R tangent of I1 over 2. Tapos meron tayong conversion factor, no? Galing ito sa pag nagtangent tayo ng I1 over 2, like ito na lang, no? Tangent of I1 over 2 is equivalent to opposite over adjacent. That's T1 over R1. So since ito yung hinahanap natin, magiging or ito pa sa taas yung hinahanap natin. Ito yung hinahanap natin, magiging ganito yung equation niya, no? So same with T2 kapag nilagyan natin dito ng line. So magiging ganun din yung analysis. So ito yung i-consider natin na triangle or yung kabila, pareho lang din yung lalabasan niya, no? So yung equation natin magiging ganito lang, no? That's T, it's equivalent to T1 is ito yung equation niya. We have R1 pala to, no? So we have R1 tangent of I1 over 2 pi over 180 plus R2 tangent of I over 2, I2 over 2 times pi over 180. Or that's equivalent to, dito tayo sa R1, that's equivalent to 180 meters. Tangent, I1 natin is 32. So that's 32 over 2. And then plus R2, that's equivalent to 240 meters. Tapos tangent of half ng I2, that's 26. 26 over 2 degrees. Tapos pwede nating i-multiply na siya ngayon ng pi over 180. Kasi pareho lang din naman, no? Common kasi to. Para mas madali sa calculator, no? Times pi over 180. You get the total tangent distance equivalent to, dito tayo sa calculator natin. Confirm nyo na lang yung sagot na to, no? We have total is 107.02. So 107.02 meters. Ito na yun yung final na answer. So yung T1 makukuha natin dito is 51.61 meters, and then we have T2 is equivalent to 55.41 meters. Yan. So ito yung final answer natin, no? So, total na tangent distance, just T1 plus T2. Okay? So, I think yun na yun, no, para sa sample problem na to. And again, no, see you sa mga next mga sample problems natin. Mag-upload pa tayo ng mga maraming sample problems on, hindi lang dito sa curves and earthworks, no, pati sa raying or other C-related na mga subjects. So, again, thank you again for watching.